Hey y'all, welcome back to Amber Elsia. So let me show y'all how we celebrated my daddy's birthday. So me, my mama, and my sister-in-law, we cooked the food. We had some pasta, egg rolls, fried shrimp, and fried fish. And my mama made grits to go with the fish and the shrimp. Y'all, she made this spinach dip and it is so good. And I'm gonna post a video later on today and showing y'all how she made it. We had meatballs, onion rings, fried okra, and we had birthday cake from Nothing Bundt Cakes, and my mama made her famous sweet tea. But y'all, I cannot get over that spinach dip. It is so good. I'm over here right now finna eat some more. I'm gonna come back with another video later on and I'm gonna show y'all how she made it. Y'all, look at Junior plate. Hi. Hey, Judah. Hey, Drew. And y'all, tell me why we finished the night off with a talent show. I mean, I cannot make this up, y'all. It was hilarious. Just wait till you see Junior. So if y'all don't mind, leave a happy birthday pop down in the comments. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.